Alright, now it's time to tackle conditional distribution. Oh, conditional distribution is a little bit tricky, so let's look at what we've got here. So I've got parts A, B, and C all labeled, everything's grand. And what they want here, let me see if I can nudge it over to the side so you can see it. What they're interested in is the conditional distribution of party affiliation by gender. Oops. I don't know if that's too small for you to read, but there you go. Alright, conditional distribution of party affiliation by gender. Now that's really important. What they say by gender, or they could have said gender by party affiliation. I'm actually going to show you both. I know they're only asking for one here, but I want you to see. Okay, so what they want here, if they want it by gender, what that means is look at all the females. Here they are. Ta-da! There's 405 of them total. They're here too. Okay. Alright, what's the distribution given that you're in the female column? Right? So if you look at all the females, what proportion of them are Republican? What proportion of them, of the females, are Democrats? What proportion of the females are independent? That's what you want to know. Okay, so there's a lot of ways we can do this. Basically what I need is I need to take this number, which is 105, and I need to divide it by this number, which is 405. Okay, but I need the 405 to not change, so I'm going to give it the dollar signs, right? That way when I drag it, which I'm about to do, swing, there we go. Now notice the bottom makes 1 because of course 100% of the females are looking into. So look, 37% of the females are independents, 37% of them are Democrats, and 26% of them are Republicans. Okay? Then you do it again for the males. So you say, okay, I want this 115 divided by the total, give that total dollar signs. Press F4 and it gives them dollar signs. Enter, and then I can just click and drag. There we go. Okay. We don't really need all this bolded, but the whole thing really is the question that they were asking for. That is the conditional distribution, so I'll give it highlights just for fun. By the way, I went in and highlighted this kind of a light gray or green color just for fun. Okay, there we go. That's the conditional distribution. I know it's weird. This is the conditional distribution of party affiliation by gender. Oops, that was probably bad of me. Cancel. Whoa, I did too much. Stop that. I'm trying to fix the alignment. It doesn't like me. All right, conditional distribution of party affiliation by gender. There we go. Nope. Hold on one second. There we go. I finally got the typing to do what I wanted. So notice I just broke it up into things. But this is by gender. I really wanted you to see that. Okay. Then I'm going to do it again. I know they didn't ask for it, but I'm going to do it again. So I'm just going to copy and paste all this. So I'm going to see. This isn't really an answer to anything, but I want you to understand the difference. I'm going to do the conditional distribution of gender by party affiliation. Okay, let me see if I can get you to see the difference. Although, actually, I'm going to put this little note that I just made over here somewhere. Oop, there we go. I just didn't want it in the way. Okay, and I don't want this blue anymore, so let me turn that off. Oop, I just made it blue again. No. There we go. Okay, so what I want here is I want this number, female, divided by the total number of Republicans, and I give that dollar signs F4. Let me see if you can see that. Okay. Enter. And then I'm going to do it again. Okay, equals, oh actually I don't need to do it again. Ooh, my bad. I can just drag. Okay, so I'm going horizontally, I'm going by the row, and then I'll do it again. Equals Democrat females divided by the total number of Democrats. Give the Democrats dollar signs, F4, and then drag. Okay, hold on, let me go finish it. Okay, so you can see it's going the other direction. What I'm saying here is saying, look, at all the Republicans, 220 of them, 47% of them were female, 53% of them were male. On the Democrat side, 59% were female, 41% or so were male, right? It's going the other way.